What I want to do is show you this carrier that I've made for the chainsaw. So I'm going to pull my saw out of there. It slides into it. So actually you can see it's just a couple of pieces of wood. The aluminum that I have screwed to the outside is more decorative than anything. It's just a couple of pieces of wood with a spacer between. So I'll show you what I have here. I'll pull it out. Okay, so my saw is just in the carrier. It's super easy. You don't have to hold it in. It just lifts out like so. The bar drops in. If you come up there and have a quick look at it. So all it is a couple of pieces of wood, and it's in rough shape now because I've been using this for 5 or 6 years. So what I did was I took 2 pieces of wood. It's about 3/4 inch. You could use whatever you have. And then there's a spacer piece to make a gap in the middle, and this is the gap you can see. So it just is bolted together with the spacers, and on the inside the first piece of wood, I just ran a bolt going through here, 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 and here. So this whole wooden block is just bolted to the side of my box. You could make a bracket or bolt it however you want, but the saw just slides right into the hole. And again, this is very beat up because this saw has been in and out of here hundreds of times, cutting firewood, everything, all the time. But it carries it absolutely beautifully. So again, 2 pieces of wood. In this case, I believe it's about 3/4 of an inch or an inch, and width I'm about 8 inches. And I cut on the table saw a couple of strips of similar wood and just screwed them through down the side so there is an edge to contain the saw so it can't slip out. Some of those are just about ready to change, I suppose. It's been a very long time. But that's as simple as it is. There's nothing fancy to this, and it carries that saw. And I'm telling you, that saw has been through hell many seasons in that carrier. I have another one on my Scandic. This is my VK. And so there's my other chainsaw carrier on my Scandic. Again, you can bolt it anywhere you want. I could have bolted it to the box here. However, I have this rack on the back, so I just bolted it to the rack. And this one I just made with plywood. So it's 3/8 or 1/2 inch plywood on each side with the little wood spacer in between, and the saw sits right inside. And again, this has been on there for several years. Easiest way to carry a chainsaw, and it costs next to nothing. So anyway, that's what I've done in the Scandic. The sleigh is always loaded with firewood. I stop on the way whenever we're heading out, and I knock down a big dead jack pine, cut it up, and having the chainsaw there is a godsend. Anyway, if you're looking for a good way to carry a chainsaw, I hope you can understand what I'm saying, how this works. It is so simple. Just 2 pieces of wood, a spacer, and have it bolted to a box or make a bracket to attach it to something, and away you go. Nothing to it, and really is a godsend to always have it with you. Anyway, if you find that useful, please like and subscribe.